somewhere in the backyard. Like, oh hey, a little treehouse.
Yeah,
or
that's
like,
not
or
that,
a play area.
That's an entire playground, buddy.
Yeah. Well, the entire play area was not in complete view. I thought it was like some kind of a treehouse at first. Can I play? Can I play? No? No? Okay. Well, I guess technically it's not like garden work or whatever. It's like, oh, I can't even walk over my flower. Oh, alright.
Yep.
Wait, hold on. Okay, I don't know if it's just me seeing things. I could have sworn the car was floating.
Hey, take it easy. You're gonna knock me over. So this is your big day, huh?
Am I grown up now?
10 years old.
Kid has like these
Not
like
exactly.
dead eye stare.
Yeah.
Now can I
So remind me, when was Heavy Rain
I think
originally
you're gonna
made?
have to wait a
Like a
11, I want to say.
2011?
Ethan, can you please help me?
I'm coming.
Oh, fuck. Press and hold down each button appearing until they all disappear. Okay? Wait, what the fuck?
No,
Oh,
hold-
press and hold, that's right, okay. Okay. Oh, shit!
Now you can have those back.
Okay. Okay, alright.
See. Okay, so you just gotta hold them.
Yeah, I gotta hold them until they disappear.
Wow, what the hell frame rate?
There we go.
I've never seen it this bad.
Just chug it along.
Excited since this morning. I could hardly keep them in line in the supermarket. How's your day been? Managed to get any work done?
Shit.
Not really. I tried, but I didn't really nail it.
Fucking
I
liar.
only got inspired because they're supposed to be sending
Toy
out
cars.
a plan next month.
I want to make sure that his RC car was in working condition.
It'll never be ready before Jason's pals arrive. Can you please help me? There should be plates in the living room cupboard.
Okay, alright.
No problem. Leave it to me.
Okay, alright. Cupboard. No wait.
I mean, I see plates right there.
Oh, wait. Hold on, what's this? Oh!
Asshole.
Before!
You're stealing the grapes.
I thought I asked you to take care of the plates.
Yeah, Ethan.
They're in the living
Where's the freaking cupboard?
You just hit the living room
The
cup.
living room
Look, okay, right there. It's pointing to it.
Oh.
You gotta find that. Yeah, it'll do that for you. Like if you don't know where to go, it'll give
It'll
you
give
a
you a hint.
direction.
Okay, alright.
There it is, right there.
Here we go.
That door is always sticking. Give it a big tug.
Oh, god damn it. Alright.
I'm sure I would know that. You know, I live here.
Yeah, but you know, video game.
I certainly don't know that.
Oh, be careful! It was her mother's set.
Oh, for fuck's sake!
incident with your mother.
When this type of symbol appears, unfold the movement slowly with the right stick. Oh, so I gotta ease?
Ease it, yeah.
Okay. Alright. Oh, fuck. Okay. Alright. Oh,
Nailed it.
Jesus. Oh, fuck. Okay. Alright. Oh, God. Oh, shit. Okay. Alright. Okay, I know this is just something as simple as putting plates down, but it's like, I don't want to
No,
screw...
these are her mother's plates.
I said, yeah, exactly. I don't want to fuck this up.
It's like, dude, just go paper. Just go paper like every other
Oh,
parent.
Jesus Christ.
You're
Okay, that's stutter in frames.
You're good. You're good.
I thought it was like, he's gonna drop it. Okay. Alright. Oh, shit. Oh, okay. Oh, shit. This animation is throwing me off, dude.
Hey.
Okay.
Wow.
This should not be this nerve-wracking.
You know,
It's like, Jesus.
you know the only reason.
Of course
why
I had to be
it's
freaking
nerve-wracking.
first! Okay, darling wife, I put the plates down slowly but surely.
It's like, no, can you get my mother's glasses?
Oh dear.
I don't know if I've already told you this today.
Oh, I don't know if I already told you today, but
Your breath smells.
what a tic tac.
What the hell is that?
That is them attempting to try to make models not clip.
I know what's on your mind, Ethan. But now is not the right time for it.
We already have 2 kids. We don't need any more.
I really gotta focus on this party.
The second one was an accident.
We'll continue this little conversation.
Because of this very behavior.
Okay, oh, shit. What should I, guess help?
Can I do anything to help?
No thanks. I should be able to manage.
Oh, okay. Alright.
I saw you barely be able to put those plates.
Alright, let's see. Guess I'll, go to Jason.
Jason looks happy.
Oh, no, wait, no. What? Hold on.
Hard to believe he's 10 minutes.
Oh, no, I thought there was, like, certain tasks I
Seems
gotta
like
do.
only yesterday.
He's talking to her.
Okay, okay.
We're getting old, Ethan.
High school sweethearts.
Let's see.
Are
Friends.
Jason's friends coming?
Oh, about 2 p.m.? Oh, God, I hope I'll be able to keep the situation under control. Not like last year.
Trying to keep. Depends on how many kids there are. Even a bunch of 9-year-olds in
Did you
tech
find
and
the
check
present for
Christ.
Jason?
Yeah, I picked it up from the store this morning. Oh, we were lucky. It was the last one in stock.
Okay, let's see. Is there... Okay, alright, so that's all the stuff I need to do in regards to talking with my darling wife.
Well, it's like, well, there's Grace and then play with kids.
Let's see,
She's
Grace.
goddamn beautiful with every passing day.
Okay, how about, playing with the
I think
kids?
we'll go outside and play with the kids.
Okay. Oh, shit, I forgot to close the door. Fuck.
That's it. I'm free as a bird.
Hey, 5 minutes, boys, okay? After that, we've got to eat because your friends are going to be here soon.
we promise, Mom.
You want to eat before the friends come? Isn't the point of them coming is just like you can feed them?
Easy, fellas. Can both have a turn.
Uh-oh. Who's your favorite?
I don't know! I don't know these kids!
Who's your favorite child?
Oh, God. Okay. Fuck,
Throw me in the air!
you know what? Alright, you know what? You convinced me, alright? I'll throw you in the air.
Uh-oh.
Nope, I got it. I got
Frames.
it.
Christ,
Got it.
why does it look like that? It's never looked like that.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Whoa.
Ah.
Whee! Oh, God, we crashed!
Oh, shit!
Mayday! Mayday! Mayday!
He almost flew off.
Oh, God, I got one time with the swords! Okay.
It's like, we
Wait
just
a
crashed
sec.
over Japan.
Oh, wait, hold on. I can pick up the swords? Wait, hold on. Yeah, hold on. I can pick up the sword? Hold on, let me see.
I think-
Oh, no, I know he's putting it
No.
down.
But they
Sorry,
did that.
your leg clipped through my neck. I don't want you anymore.
All right, Jason. Let's do the helicopter.
Okay, wait. Oh, okay.
Just throw him.
Throw him right against the glass.
Frames, Christ! What is going on? I've never seen it. Dad, I feel sick.
Come on, Dad. Show us how strong you are. Big muscles.
Ah, fuck.
Oh, God. Okay. Wait, hold on.
Wait, what did it say?
Wait, hold on.
I think it's
Wait.
like-
For actions requiring strength or speed, press the button indicated repeatedly until it disappears. Okay.
And
so-
repeatedly,
keep tapping,
to just
smash
keep
it.
passing it.
Okay.
I remember my dad used to do this like to my sister and I a lot when we were kids.
I'll like lift you up by the arms like
That,
that.
oh fuck, hurt ya.
Like,
Oh, God, my arms!
yeah, my back.
Uh-oh.
Oh, God.
Time to murder the child. Prove your worth on your 10th
shit.
birthday.
Crimes.
Why do you look stoned?
Surrender, weakling. Say your prayer.
Oh,
What's,
fuck.
what's the Star Wars music going on in the background?
Now it's like, oh, wait, hold on.
It's like, we need like Duel of the Fates
Do I-
going on right now.
Do I need to... Fuck! Okay, so I guess I need to do the button commands before...
It runs out. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. That's what I thought, okay.
Quick time events.
Oh, shit! Oh, right in the neck! My leg! Shit!
Uh-oh.
Oh, no! Oh, God! Oh, shit.
I am your father. I know. Oh, okay. What are you idiots doing out here?
Kids, you coming in?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, wait. Oh, hold on.
Sean? Lunch
God damn it. Whoa, okay. I thought I could. Okay, never mind. I thought I could close the door.
No, let the fresh air in.
Alright. Alright, where's my shirt? Where's my I need to get into the chair. I'm going to. Oh, for God's sake.
You're missing a kid.
The fuck?
And it's like, oh, where'd my other kid fuck off to?
For God's sake.
He's in the house. He's in the house.
Okay. Alright.
Hey, Dad, let's do helicopter in the house.
Not
Where are all these windows?
Not again. Not again, Sean. Last time we broke your grandma's place. Your mom wasn't very happy.
Please get Sean now.
Working on it.
Cold.
Okay. Sean.
I'm trying.
Sean. Oh,
Hey, child.
there he is.
What's up?
It's Merlin. He's dead.
Oh.
He's dead.
Wait.
It's all my fault.
I told you to stop feeding him the peanut butter.
Oh my god.
You know, Sean, there's some things which just have to happen. Even if you don't want them to.
It's not fair, Dad. It's not fair.
It's not fair, Dad. It's not fair.
So, like, the bird just
Yeah,
keeled over?
The bird just died.
I know.
Oh man. Well,
He's like, okay.
meanwhile.
Oh, the frame rate fixed itself. What the hell?
Oh! 60 frames a second!
What
oh my
happened?
god!
What? You know what?
What happened in the house?
You know what? I have something must not have loaded right because like I had a feeling something was gonna go wrong when that mattress disappeared.
Well, it's so weird too. I don't know if it's the TV or what.
A nice 60 now. What
No,
the hell's going on?
It shouldn't be the TV because I mean, like, this is the first time on my PlayStation that I've ever seen this happen.
Well, no. What I was gonna say was, what was it? It's like, yeah, the 60 frames per second is back, but at the same time, I don't know what it's like from the TV or whatever, but everything now looks a bit grainy, a little bit more
We're not
pixelated.
going anywhere, are we, Jason?
Come on, honey.
Well, I think that's also just them trying to upscale a PS3 game to PS4.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, it's that tends to happen.
Oh, excuse you.
Lady, you okay?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Shoe shopping with the wife and kids.
Oh my god. Wait, Jason.
Jason!
Wait, Jason, where are you going?
Jason! Jason!
Jason, okay, why?
Jason!
For God's sake.
Jason!
Jason.
Jason!
Jason.
Jason!
Okay, so I watch what you call it?
Jason.
I watch Jim Sterling on YouTube a
Jason.
lot. I freaking love his stuff.
Jason.
And I think it's like every now and
Jason.
again, whenever he talks about like, I think it's like, you know, like voice acting and everything. Frequently, I see he refers to this clip where it's always, you know, it's this guy. He's just going,
Really
Jason,
should be on the rough.
Jason, Jason,
Jason!
and it's like that's all this guy is saying is Jason.
Please, Dad. Come
Is it a
on.
clown? Okay, you're either a clown or a mime. Pick one.
Great.
Hey, champ. What's your name?
That's a creepy looking clown.
Yeah, this is unrealistic. This kid should be
The red
terrified.
one.
Good choice of color.
go.
Good choice of color, Jason. Here you go, Jason. Here's one
Jason,
balloon.
wait for me. Wait for
Oh,
Dad, son.
And there goes the child.
Shit!
Sir, you owe me $2.
You gotta pay the man.
I'm sorry. God damn it. But my son.
Okay, not that bucket.
What?
Let's see. Nope, not that one.
Jason, did you take my wallet?
Not that one.
Sure, we're just checking every friggin' pants
And
pocket.
by process of elimination,
He just handed him a 20.
whatever.
That was a $2 balloon. It's like, keep the change.
It is
It's like, oh, thanks.
impossible to try on a pair of shoes with this crowd. Where's Jason?
He was here a second ago.
Good fucking question.
Oh no, I saw him walk away from me, but this ass clown was like, hey, you owe me $2.
I'll go get him. I'll be right back.
Oh, god damn it.
I mean, it's like, it shouldn't be that hard to spot. There's no
Jason!
balloons.